Do you know your purpose, my friend? Well, it's important to live a life with purpose because without purpose, we're just gonna drift, we're just gonna float, we're just gonna exist or basically exist for the sake of existing. Or but if you have a purpose, it's different. You have that extra springs on your step, you have that initiative, you have that purpose that you are there to be and make a difference in someone else's life, in your life, in your loved one's life. So it's really important, my friend. Just a friendly reminder to have a purpose in life, to execute, and to basically do the best that you can. You have a great day, and may the peace of the Lord be with you. Stay safe. Until next time. Cheers.